And there's the owner himself. What is going on YouTube? I am back with another video, and I have a bunch of cars around me, which can only mean one thing. We are in Kuwait Motor Town for Cars and Coffee Kuwait. If you don't know, my guy Sultan puts on a crazy car show every Friday when the weather is good. It's finally 80 degrees instead of 120, but he's got a bunch of cars that are a part of Cars and Coffee Kuwait. We're gonna dive into them. He is actually leaving, but again, shout out to Sultan, the first person I ever met in the car world here in the Middle East. Let's go. Like I said, you guys, Cars and Coffee Kuwait. Make sure you follow them on Instagram. They have all styles of cars, including this honeycomb. Hopefully the sun will catch it. Nissan, I believe these are 370Zs. We have an NSX-R. A bunch of, we got a Skyline GTR. Got a nice 5.0. Another Mustang. BMWs. With all the carbon fiber. This is one of my favorite specs. The satin, it's almost like a satin gray, satin gunmetal with the gold wheels, big wing. Then you have the bagged GTR, crazy paint color. Yes, that is paint, not a wrap. Supras, one of the most popular cars you'll see out of here. A nice Lotus. We even have old schools, Trans Am. One of my favorite cars. I do follow this person, and I hate that I forgot his name, but he's got a crazy ZR1 as well. This is a big turbo Supra. Obviously you can see big tire. So I've never been the biggest Supra guy until I came out here and saw how many Supras they actually had internationally, especially the older Supras. I do follow this person on Instagram. He's got a ZR1 as well that is crazy spec'd out just like this one. This is a big turbo Supra, and this is another big turbo Supra. Biggest thing, G, the guy who does most of my work to all of my cars at Mass Acceleration, used to have one, so I know he's mad because he sold it. G is based out of DMV, and if you know anything about DMV, Supras in the JDM world are huge out there, especially at the Maryland International Racetrack, Raceway, whatever you want to call it. But you can see Cars and Coffee brings a bunch of variety. Let me know what your favorite car is. Kind of digging the carbon, especially the honeycomb carbon on that 370. But overall, let's go find, where is she at? Right there. Let's go find her and talk more cars. Got Mustangs for days. Oh, almost skipped one of my favorite cars. Look at this. Terrible, you guys. GT3 RS in orange with the paint matched roll cage. With the dry wing, satin wing. Insane spec. Dry carbon, sorry. Satin carbon, dry carbon, whatever you want to call it. GT350s. When I say they have everything in the car club, they have everything in the car club. There is not anything that they don't have. Another Mustang. We got Camaros. We got a wrapped Stingray C7. Carbon. Super crazy spec. Then we have Sam's C8. Sam also has a Ferrari and whatever else. If you're watching this, brother, I don't know what else you have, but I know this is one of the nicer Stingrays. We have a nice Z06 on a tire. Something I've been thinking about lately. He's even got the clear blacked out tail lights that I like. And then of course, the owner's Challenger 440 cam down Scatpack. Sounds crazy. It does have a roll cage. I don't know if you can see through the tent, but it does have a roll cage. Sounds insane. And there's the owner himself. But Again, 440, has all the options, shaker hood, everything possible. They have always showed love. So if you're watching this Cars and Coffee, leave me a comment. But these are just some of the show cars. We got a bunch of racing, more cars, and so much more. So if you're watching this video, go check out another video. There's probably another car meet video, more racing and so forth on the channel. Make sure you go check it out. But shout out to Cars and Coffee, the first group of guys I ever ran into out here in Kuwait. Make sure you follow them. Let me know what your favorite car was. And that's a wrap.